Hello students, today we will see the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry, NCERT Maths, exercise number 8.4, and the question number 5 we need to prove something, and the sum number 3. Here we need to prove that tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta plus cosec theta. We need to prove it. So let's take the left hand side. By seeing the left hand side, we can see that we cannot find any good possibility to find the answer. So it's better to convert the function into sine and cos, and then we'll see what the next step could be. So let's convert the left hand side into sine and cos, and then we'll see what could be the next possibility to get the answer. So our left hand side is tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta. So I am directly converting it into sine and cos. So for tan theta I can write sine theta upon cos theta. And in denomination 1 minus cot theta. Cot theta is my cos theta upon sine theta. Plus cot theta. Cot is cos upon sine. So cos theta upon sine theta. Denomination 1 minus tan theta. So 1 minus, for tan I can write sine upon cos, sine theta upon cos theta. Now let's take LCM in a numerator. Chalo is equal to sine theta, LCM in a denominator, not in a numerator. Sine theta upon cos theta as it is, no need to change. Here sine theta would be the LCM, so sine theta will multiply with 1, so sine theta minus cos theta, and in denomination sine theta, plus same, no change, cos theta upon sine theta. Denomination will take the LCM, cos theta will multiply with the 1, so it's a cos theta minus sine theta, in denomination cos theta. Now let's convert this step into the multiplication instead of the division. So sine theta upon cos theta multiply with this, so it will change their positions. So sine theta upon sine theta minus cos theta, plus the numerator as it is, cos theta upon sine theta, multiply with this will be change their position, cos theta upon cos theta minus sine theta. We can see here sine theta minus cos theta and cos theta minus sine theta. So let's convert it into sine theta minus cos theta. If I do it here, so I will multiply it with minus 1. So I'll take minus as a common from here. So this would become sine theta minus cos theta minus 1, and this minus will go there. So I can write like this, sine theta minus cos theta, because I changed the sign over here, I took this sign over here, so this plus became the minus 1. Okay, so let's go at the top. Let's multiply these two. So sine theta into sine theta will become sine square theta. Denomination cos theta into sine theta minus cos theta. So let's cos theta, so sine theta minus cos theta minus cos theta into cos theta will be cos square theta, in denomination sin theta into bracket sin theta minus cos theta. We change the sign over here because we want to take LCM over here as a sin theta minus cos theta and sin theta cos theta, so it would be easier for nullification. Chalo, let's take the LCM as sin theta minus cos theta into sin theta and cos theta. So what will happen? This sign will multiply over here, so this sign will become sin cube theta minus this cos will multiply over here because these are same, so only cos will go there, so cos square into cos, so it will become cos cube theta in numerator. I can write like this, sin theta into cos theta. This is my LCM, sin theta minus cos theta. Now we got a sin cube theta minus cos cube theta, and here we can apply the identity, that is a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, and in second bracket a square plus b square plus ab. So we can apply this identity with the sin cube theta and minus cos cube theta. So here considering a and b, so a minus b, so I can write like that, sin theta minus cos theta. Second bracket a square plus b square, so sin square theta plus cos square theta plus a into b, so sin theta into cos theta. And in denomination same, no change, sin theta into cos theta, and in bracket sin theta minus cos theta. Now you can see that you can nullify this sin theta minus cos theta with this one. Moreover, we are having one identity, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So we can apply it over here, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So we can apply this identity with here, so it will become only 1. So equal to nothing, here it is 1 plus sin theta into cos theta, denomination only sin theta into cos theta. So let's do it, 1 upon sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta upon sin theta to cos theta. So this will be nullified. Here 1 upon sin theta is cos sec theta, 1 upon cos theta multiply, that is sec theta plus 1, which is our right hand side. Here we have proved it.